Welcome, your phone is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T, and today I'll show you how to record a screen on the device. So to get started, simply pull down the notification panel and find the screen recorder, which for me is right over here. And before you tap on it, you can hold it, and this will take us to, well, the recorded section. So right here you will see anything that has been recorded, but we can also go into the settings where we can customize how it records. So number one, we have the resolution, and it looks like it's set up to the highest, which that's what I would suggest you keep it at. If you're really struggling with space on your device, you could drop it to 720p, but I strongly discourage you from going anywhere lower than that. And besides that, we have the video quality. Keep it at 16:8 if you have to. 20 will be the best one, obviously, and the video will look super sharp at that point. Then we have the orientation. Keep it on auto unless you, for some reason, I don't know, recording in a weird position, but the footage that you want to record is, for instance, portrait, but you're in, like, I don't know, reclined position. So then you can change it to lock it into a specific position here. But for me, auto is fairly okay. Then we have sound source, and now as you can see, we have only, well, technically two options, and there is no way of having both of them. So you have either mute, which is, I would say, no option. Then we have microphone, so it will record anything that the microphone picks up, and then also below that we have the system sound, which will record only what the device makes. So if you're running some music, YouTube, games, it will record the sounds from those applications, but it will not record you. Then we have fixed frame rate, just a steady frame rate, and honestly, here change it to 30 at least. Sadly, there is no 60, which if there would be, I would strongly advise you to choose that, and I really discourage you from going anywhere lower than 30. The video will start looking really trash. Now if you are struggling with space, going to 24 will not really change it much. 15 will change in space, like how much the device takes up space, but at 15 frames it's basically a fast slideshow in my opinion. So like I said, I would really discourage you from going to that. Then we have record options, or recording options, lock screen to end. So if you lock the device, it will simply end the recording. Show touch gestures, so whenever you touch the display, it will record a gray little dot visible on the display, so on the recording it is clear where you were pressing. Then we have visualize navigation buttons, show prompts when home. I guess you can enable that, just shows prompts. Go back to screen recorder, open screen recording start page after you stop recording. So if you select this, it basically will go to the previous page where we start, so this one. And that's basically all the settings that were in here. So I'm gonna leave it, and now simply tap on the, oops, not dark mode, the recording option, and as you can see, it automatically starts recording. So whatever you will do will be now recorded, and once you're done, you can tap on the square, and as you can see, it kind of shows it for a moment and then disappears. So to open up the video, let's go into here, and there we go. Let's play it. So as you can see, there is the recording. Nothing really long or special, just a showcase how it looks. So that is how you would record videos on this device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.